cost, significantly reducing the time required for thorough inspections. It reduces testing time from days to mere hours. This minimizes traffic disruptions, ensuring smoother commutes for daily travelers. It also allows for quicker identification of potential problems, enabling timely interventions. Secondly, the AI-powered system is highly accurate, leveraging advanced algorithms to analyze data. It can detect subtle flaws that might be invisible to the naked eye. These flaws might be missed by human inspectors, ensuring a more thorough examination. This ensures a more comprehensive assessment of the bridge's structural integrity, enhancing safety. Thirdly, the use of sensors allows for continuous monitoring, providing real-time data. This means potential issues can be identified in real time, allowing for immediate action. This proactive approach prevents major failures, ensuring the longevity of the structure. It also reduces the need for costly emergency repairs, saving both time and resources in the long run. Section 5. AI revolutionizing industries beyond infrastructure. The transformative power of AI extends far beyond bridge testing. It is making significant impacts in numerous fields, reshaping the way industries operate and innovate. It is revolutionizing various industries, from manufacturing to logistics, by enhancing productivity and efficiency. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases. It helps in early detection and personalized treatment plans. It analyzes medical images with high accuracy, reducing the chances of human error. This helps doctors provide timely and effective treatment, improving patient outcomes significantly. In finance, AI powers fraud detection systems. These systems analyze transactions in real time, identifying suspicious activities quickly. This protects businesses and consumers from financial losses, ensuring a secure financial environment. These examples demonstrate the versatility of AI. Its applications are vast and varied. It has the potential to solve complex problems across different sectors, driving innovation and growth. It improves efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making, making it an indispensable tool for the future. Section 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2-hour AI bridge test is a testament to the power of innovation. It represents a significant leap forward in infrastructure assessment. By embracing such cutting-edge technologies, we can build safer, more resilient, and sustainable infrastructure for the future. It is imperative to invest in research and development. This will further advance AI applications. This will unlock even greater possibilities for a better tomorrow.